fabulous executive living bordering Oak Mountain State Park. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty, 356-5412. Call on Colleen.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 16th day of July. James Spann here. Had a nice batch of storms passing through during the midday hours. Let's get right to it and take a look at the Skycam shots. That big rain is now down to the south. That's the Demopolis Skycam. Pouring rain there. That's at the Demopolis Civic Center looking north. And right around the bend is the confluence of the Tombigbee and the Black Warrior Rivers. Up a bit in Tuscaloosa, the rain is tapered off there. Still a few raindrops on the Lens, but things are calming down. Pretty much the same deal in Birmingham. The rain is tapered off here for now, but we do expect more rain before this whole thing is over. Water vapor satellite shot. The heat is shifting west. And a nice little polar vortex up there. North of Lake Superior. And boy, that's helping to cool things down up there. Look at temperatures this afternoon. Only in the low 50s around Duluth and International Falls on a summer afternoon. That's pretty amazing. Hottest weather back in the deserts, as you might expect. Looks like Las Vegas is 105. And around here, we've got the cooler readings because of the rain. Birmingham only at 76 degrees at 2 o'clock, but you go down south, Montgomery's got 92, and that's where the stronger storms will be for the rest of the afternoon. There's the radar. This is at 2 o'clock. Heavier storms from Demopolis to Jemison to Sylacauga to Ashland and over to Lake Wedowee. And dropping steadily to the south. Some light rain behind that, but now that the air is cool and stable, more than likely the northern part of the state will not see any more strong storms for the next few hours. The better activity down south. There's the convective outlook for the rest of this afternoon. Slight risk of severe weather from near Montgomery and Demopolis up to Little Rock, Tulsa, and Gage, Oklahoma. Also up in the northeast around New York City. Day 2, there's no formal risk. Again, the low-end probabilities around here for the possibility of a few strong storms. And like today, the main issue is going to be heavy rain and that fierce cloud-to-ground lightning. And there's the expected rain valid through Tuesday morning of next week. And remember, this counts the rain we had earlier today. So this is the rain today and tomorrow. And again, we're expecting average amounts between 1 and 2 inches. Some spots may be getting more. You know how it goes with summer convection. But over the weekend, we'll dry out. Tropics, goodness, it's quiet out there, at least on the Atlantic side. So on to modeling. This is the 12Z GFS at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, 1 o'clock Friday. For the folks that are new to this, this is a computer model projecting the weather where the pressure level is 500 millibars, which is about 18,000 feet off the ground. That 594 heat is over the southwest, a nice cool trough forming over the east. And down below that at the surface, green all across the deep south. That means another day with a good healthy round of showers and storms. It won't rain all day like today, but when the rain comes, it could be pretty heavy at times. And yeah, look at Saturday. Very anomalous pattern for the middle of summer. Deep trough over the east. And down below that, by midday Saturday, the front should be near the southeastern corner of the state. Dothan to Mobile. Now for the Gulf Coast, some rain still possible during the day Saturday, but around here we go mostly sunny and lower humidity, a nice cool breeze out of the north. I say cool, I mean this is summer, but still we're talking highs only in the low to mid 80s, between 81 and 85. And with the low humidity, that's going to feel great. Sunday, everybody in dry air. Gulf Coast, this part of Alabama, the whole southeast, except for the Florida Peninsula now, they'll stay wet, but Gulf Shores, Panama City, great weather. Around here, now Sunday morning, we'll be close to 60. That is very close to a new record. 50s are likely for the cooler valleys, and the same deal on Monday. Very dry air, a refreshing morning, a very comfortable day. Tuesday, we stay dry. The model we showed you this morning tried to bring some moisture back in here. We'll leave the forecast dry. And Wednesday of next week, maybe suggesting the deeper moisture stays off to the east. That would be relatively dry. And Thursday of next week, that's a week from today. Moisture begins to creep back in here. So over the latter part of next week, we'll probably see a few scattered showers and storms returning. We'll veer out there at the end of the forecast period, deep into voodoo country. This is the first day of August, and ouch, that looks hot and dry. Big old 594 ring right over us. If that's right, that would be very unpleasant. That would be awfully hot. Mid to upper 90s, chance of rain underneath that thing would be tiny. But remember, this is computer model output 16 days in advance. More than likely, that will look different the next time we see it. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog, alabamawx.com. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.
Weather.